Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to make a really quick Polaroid effect using Photoshop. So I've got my headshot open here inside of Photoshop, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to Adjustments and say Photo Filter. And now instead of warming, we're going to select Sepia. And we can ramp this up, quite high. We want it to be something like that. Now you can play around some of these other ones. Some of the warming ones give different effects in the way that they play with the colors that are in your photo. I'm going to stick with sepia for this one, and I'm going to give it that strange border that Polaroids had, kind of as they were printing out of the camera. They get that really thick white border on the bottom and kind of a border around the photo. So to get that, I'm going to come up to Image, Canvas Size, and instead of saying inches, I'm going to select percent. So we want the width to be about 120% and the height to be 140%. Say OK. Let's come back to our layers. I'm going to unlock my background layer and move it kind of up like so. So we get that border around the photo, but a thick border at the bottom. Last step is to say Layer, New Fill Layer, Solid Color. And we're going to select white as the solid color and move that to the bottom. Now we get this kind of a black border around our image, and we can get rid of that pretty quick by selecting the image, selecting our rectangular marquee tool, and I'm just going to marquee around the image really fast. And we'll select Mask and create a mask on it. And now we get kind of that image the way that it would look inside of a Polaroid. Unfortunately, I had a white background behind my headshot, and it doesn't show up perfectly, but it'll look pretty good with like some trees or something back there. And again, play around with the photo filters to see what you like. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to create a quick Polaroid effect in Photoshop. I'm Josiah Ray.